Okay, we have a question of this one, that is 1 over 1 minus e negative exponent x dx. So we want to find the value of this one. So we use the trick that is called multiply k over k. That means we write this one, that is 1 over 1 minus e negative x. Okay, this should be multiplied from e into x and divided from the same, that is e x. Okay, now we write it the integral sign and the dx here. So the next step is we write the integral sign, then we have 1 over 1 minus e into negative x, and we write it into the bracket, and this ex is multiplied. Okay, this one, denominator one, and this numerator one is written here, split. Now the next step we have, when we multiply this one, so we have 1 over, when it's multiply e of x from 1, so we have e exponent x, and when it multiply from this one, so it should be the 1. Why it should be the 1? Because e negative x is multiplying from e of x, so bases are same, that means the negative x and the positive x, so this should be the, we have 0, and anything 0, that is going to be 1, so that's why we write the 1 here, 1 into e exponent x and dx. Okay, now in the next step we substitute u equals to e exponent x minus 1. Okay, and d of u means derivative of u, that is e exponent x minus 0, and d of x, that is e exponent x dx. Okay, so now when we substitute it here, so we have e of x minus 1, that is equals to u, so the denominator becomes u and the numerator is also 1, and this e of x dx, that is equals to d of u. Okay, now we write it d of u. So now this whole term is equals to 1 over u, that means we have the ln, and we have u, that is in the next step. Okay, wait, I will also refine it. So we write the ln, and this one is u. Okay, now we have ln, and this whole term is equals to which one? This is equals to ex minus 1. So we substitute e exponent x minus 1, and then we, you know that we have the plus c. So now this one, the question, that is we write the answer. So we have the integral of 1 over 1 minus e exponent negative x dx, that is equals to ln ex minus 1 plus c. Okay, so basically this is the answer. I hope you like this solution. If you have any think about it, if you not understand any point, so you will also ask me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I will meet you into the next lesson. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.